and welcome to a new Italian lesson. I'm Ambra and in this channel I teach you how to speak Italian. When you start your first conversations in a new language, it's likely that you won't understand everything. So today I want to show you how to say I didn't get it in Italian and also how to ask someone to repeat that again. Keep watching as this can save your conversations. This is an overview of what we are gonna cover in this lesson. First, I'll show you some common ways to say that you didn't understand. Then we'll see how to ask someone to repeat what they've told you. And lastly, I'll give you a couple of expressions for when you finally got it. So first, let's see how to say in Italian that you didn't understand what a person is telling or asking you. The first expression is probably the most famous. Non ho capito. Non ho capito. Means I didn't get it, I haven't understood. You can also use it with the following words. Bene, molto bene, tanto bene. So for instance, non ho capito bene, non ho capito molto bene. Or in the spoken language we also say non ho capito tanto bene. These three expressions all mean the same, which is that you didn't quite understand. Now, if you didn't understand anything, here you are some options. In the first one, you simply add the words niente or nulla, that mean nothing. Non ho capito niente. Non ho capito niente. Or non ho capito nulla. Non ho capito nulla. The following ones are instead two popular idioms. Non ho capito neanche una parola. Non ho capito neanche una parola. Means that I didn't get a single word. The last one is a bit odd. Non ho capito un tubo. Non ho capito un tubo. Still means that you didn't understand anything, but uses the word tubo, that means pipe. Note that this one is a little bit stronger than the first two. If you've been asked a question and you didn't catch it, then you can say non ho capito la domanda. Non ho capito la domanda, where domanda is the Italian word for question. The next one is another pretty common expression for when you're not understanding. Non mi è chiaro. Non mi è chiaro. Means that you are not clear. You can also use molto and tanto, but you need to place them before the word chiaro. For example, non mi è molto chiaro. Non mi è tanto chiaro. Non mi è molto chiaro. Non mi è tanto chiaro. And in case you've been asked a question that you didn't grasp, you can use the expression non mi è chiara la domanda. Non mi è chiara la domanda. Let's move on to the next sentence. You can use it to say that you are not following. Non sto capendo. Non sto capendo. This is for those moments where you are really finding hard to follow the conversation. You can also say non sto capendo molto or non sto capendo tanto. Non sto capendo molto, non sto capendo tanto. Then, if you're really confused and start feeling a bit uncomfortable with the situation, this is the expression for you. Non ci sto capendo niente or non ci sto capendo nulla. Non ci sto capendo niente, non ci sto capendo nulla. Basically, it means that you are completely lost and nothing is making sense. Note that here you need the word ci in front of the verb. Expression number 4 can be useful for when you don't know the meaning of a specific word. In this case, you can say non so che vuol dire or significa plus the word that you didn't understand. Non so che vuol dire, non so che significa. So for example, non so che vuol dire sedia. Non so che vuol dire sedia. I don't know what sedia, chair, means. And non so che significa tavolo. Non so che significa tavolo. I don't know the word tavolo, table. The last idiom is a funny one. It's used when you've completely misunderstood the word or you've got it all wrong. Ho capito fischi per fiaschi. Ho capito fischi per fiaschi. Fischi per fiaschi. Basically means that you've understood the word fischi rather than fiaschi, where fischi is the Italian name for whistles and fiaschi is flasks. Okay, you've learned some basic ways to say that you didn't understand. Now let's move on to the second part of this lesson and see how you can ask someone to repeat. The first way is like the English expression sorry or pardon. Come scusa. Come scusa means sorry, and it's for informal situations, so for example when you are talking with friends or with a mate. Whereas come scusi is for when you address someone formally. It's the same as pardon. By the way, if you don't remember the difference between formal and informal Italian, you can check out my lesson on this topic where I tell you everything you need to know. The second expression has essentially the same meaning of the previous one. Come dici is informal, while come dice is the formal speech. Come dice, the verb dire means to say. Let's move on to the next one, which means, can you repeat please? Again, the way you say it is different if you're talking formally or informally. Puoi ripetere is informal, and può ripetere instead is formal. Puoi ripetere. If you want to sound more polite, you can also add the word per favore at the end. That means please. Puoi ripetere per favore? Può ripetere per favore? The following expression means, can you say it again? Me lo puoi dire di nuovo? Me lo puoi dire di nuovo? Or me lo può dire di nuovo? Me lo può dire di nuovo? The first one is for when you talk informally, and the second one is for when you speak formally. Me lo puoi dire di nuovo? Me lo può dire di nuovo? Lastly, you can use this question to ask for the meaning of a word. Che vuol dire or che significa plus the word that you don't know. Che vuol dire? Che significa? For example, che vuol dire mano? Che vuol dire mano? What does mano, hand, mean? Che significa piede? Che significa piede? What does piede, foot, mean? Now, before we finish, I just want to show you a couple of expressions that you can use when you finally got it. Here you go. Ora ho capito. Ora ho capito means I got it now. Finalmente ho capito. Finalmente ho capito, where finalmente is the Italian word for at last, finally. Adesso è chiaro. Adesso è chiaro. I'm clear now. And è tutto chiaro. È tutto chiaro. It's all clear. Ora ho capito. Finalmente ho capito. Adesso è chiaro. È tutto chiaro. That was all for today. I hope you liked this video and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss my next Italian lesson. I'll see you next week. A presto. Ciao!